Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I know it's been a long time that I have been on here, but I am gradually coming back to provide content for you all. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey, and my name is Vani, by the way. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys a day in the life of a work-at-home homeschooling mom. Homeschooling in itself is a job, as well as homemaking. That's like a separate job. So on top of that, I am working from home doing 2 side jobs. So you're going to see an extra little one here in my videos today. And I am tutoring her twice a week with her homeschooling activities. So she is using the Good and the Beautiful curriculum. She's in kindergarten, and we are using the Good and the Beautiful kindergarten math, level K, and the Good and the Beautiful level K handwriting as well. And to teach her how to read, we are doing Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. So typically on these days, I am jumping back and forth between her and my 4th grader. My son, who is in 8th grade, he is upstairs and he does his work independently in his room. We're gonna try this out, okay? So this says all of the all of the work that you are responsible for in a week, okay? At the end of Friday, if you have any empty boxes, you're responsible for doing that before Sunday at 1 o'clock, because it's Sunday at 1 o'clock, you're gonna turn this in to me and I'm gonna check it, okay? So for example, yesterday you were supposed to do math and you didn't. So that block is gonna be empty today. And then your elective can be checked off if you participated in all your classes at co-op, okay? And then so today we're gonna do math, science, language arts, and maybe an elective, okay? An elective is usually something fun, okay? And then you're gonna do the same thing. So Mondays and Wednesdays, normally we're gonna have science. This week it was Martin Luther King Day and we didn't do school. But Mondays and Wednesdays, normally we're gonna do science, and then Thursday and Friday we'll do history. Okay? All right, so you get to pick the subject you would like to start with first, but not elective because I don't have it set up yet. I just started him on different curriculum. He's no longer doing the Good and the Beautiful because he just needs to be completely independent. And with the Good and the Beautiful, which I love, it's just not working out anymore for him and I, because he does still need me for some things. So I put him online to Mia Academy, which is a Christian online homeschool. It's like a Christian version of Time for Learning. And so he does his history, his science, his language arts on there. He also does Spanish on there as well. And then for his math, I put him on Algebra 1.5 for Nicole the Math Lady. So that is what he's doing for the rest of this homeschool year, which we're going to need to carry into the summer to catch up. It's just been a rough 2 years. It's been a rough life, but we have fallen behind, and not behind our curriculum, because I keep switching things around trying to find the perfect thing for him again. So I've been homeschooling now for how old? He's 13. Since he was 2, I've been homeschooling because I homeschooled my 17-year-old as well. So just to let you know, it's never too late to switch things around, especially when your child is transitioning from elementary to middle school, or from middle school going into high school. That you definitely need to reevaluate your approach and to see what's working and what is not working. So at this point in the video, the little girl that I tutor was picked up, and I left my daughter at home because my husband works from home, and I had her continue doing her independent work, reading, and the things that she can do that's independent. And my son as well is continuing to work upstairs. And so I had to stop by the library to drop off a late library book. So that's what I'm doing now. And I want to show you or share with you what I'm doing for my 4th grader now, since I spoke to you about what I'm doing for my 8th grader and the kindergartner. You drinking coffee? Let's see your baby coffee. That's what we used to call baby coffee.
Did your mom give you?
I drink baby coffee.
You did?
I do. Baby coffee has a lot of milk. Baby coffee has a lot of milk, but in our case, creamer. Hello. My daughter is using the Good and the Beautiful Math Level 3. We're finishing up Level 3, and then we're moving straight into Level 4, which I already have purchased. I've had it here for a while. And this particular day, she is having a hard time understanding how to find the missing sides of perimeter. So I came back to my old trusty chalkboard. We hadn't used it in a long time. And I decided to just teach her on here with different colored chalk and just explain it the best that I could. And she finally got it. All right, so you have a shape, okay? Everything on this side. This is your whole line. Okay, this is this much of the line, and this is this other piece here. If I say, what would the answer be?
1.
Now, you know that because you know that 5 plus 1 is 6, but if you didn't know that, if you did 6 take away 5, you would get 1. So it is about 2:30, 3 o'clock at this point, and my daughter was having a hard time focusing with her language arts. She was getting overwhelmed by the amount of work that she had to do. So we do the Good and the Beautiful Level 4, and it has 2 books to it. You have your course lesson, and then you have the spelling and writing course book, which she's supposed to do all of it by herself. So I'm still working with her to get more independent, but I decided, hey, let's go to the park and let's take like a picnic blanket and let's sit by the water and let's just do school outside. So in doing this, she got it done so fast. And she was able to go play on the swings in between and after, and that was just something that we're going to continue to do probably daily while the weather here is nice. I promised you a real life day in the life, so I wanted to come on here really quickly. I am tired. It is 7:31. I'm not physically tired, I'm just like my brain is tired of thinking. I cooked dinner and I just ate before everybody else because I really haven't eaten at all today. And I'm overwhelmed because I just remembered I didn't finish preparing my classes for tomorrow to teach at my co-op. So I have to do that now. I've been rushing all day to get this done, and then it totally slipped my mind. But it's my own fault for procrastinating. I always wait till Monday for some reason. I do all the lesson planning, and then on Monday I print things out and I cut them. So I'm just hoping that it's not a lot of work. My desk is always a mess. I need a bigger desk. So anyway, right now I'm just going to prepare for my classes. If you see me blinking a lot, my contacts need to come out. I slept with them last night by accident. I'm going to watch some videos on YouTube. Nothing important, just a bunch of nonsense to entertain me because I need a thinking break. So yeah, that we're just going to continue with this. And then after this, I'm going to go take a hot bath and maybe read a book, maybe play my Sims game. Or lay in bed with my husband and watch a show or something. I still have to get the kids ready for co-op tomorrow. So, but yeah, I need some downtime. So I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. So the first class that I'm prepping is science, learning science through creation, 1st and 2nd grade. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I didn't get to finish everything. I had to go to sleep and continue in the morning. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.